You ever wonder what happens when hogs meet hogs? We're getting ready to go find out. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the other side.
Ride with a Mild Hogz.
Everybody, we got a real treat for you today. Pretty excited for this opportunity. We have a guest that we're going to go meet, and they're traveling through. They're actually heading over to Colorado here. I might give you a hint of who that might be. Coach here with me, which will be awesome. He'll get to hand out his stickers for the first time, and if you have not seen that, you go check out the last video. And thank you for all those that have. It's actually got the most views of any of our videos, and ironically, as they always say, it's the one that you think is going to do the worst, and here it has the most views out of all the videos we have. I think it's mainly because it has the word Sturgis in it, obviously. But go check out the video. It's for us. It was Shannon and I talking about us never being in Sturgis, never riding in Sturgis on a Harley Davidson or whatever motorcycle you got, right? It doesn't matter. 2 wheels, 3 wheels. Just get on the road and go travel. We'll see if Coach has anything to say. You got anything to say?
What's that?
You got anything to say?
Not really.
Not really?
I just kicked my landings and my full stops just being. So I watched some guy go back, just give a little bit of friction zone and you're coming down, you know, about to stop.
Yeah.
Get me a little more speedy, but
Yeah.
you're bombing weaving, man. I gotta
Yeah.
get it trimmed down.
I like to come to like a jerk stop.
Yeah.
That way Shannon hits me in my back.
Yeah.
It's always a good feeling when she hits me in my back. Yeah. Man, there is nothing like riding with Coach. I know all of you love the man, the myth, the legend, Coach. He is truly a treasure and an amazing best friend. I'll get gas with you. I like smelling your gas. I like smelling your gas.
I've been dropping a little behind me.
Yeah, yeah. I felt it and smelt it.
Yeah.
It was good. Man, kind of those points where you just don't know what the heck to talk about. That's why I don't know how, Patrick, how you do this. Like, bro. You just find things to talk about. Jim does a really good job at it too. His T-Moto, but I think some of his he maps out, and that's probably my problem. Is I never map out anything. Now our last video, we mapped that out, and let me tell you, that pissed off number one like you never believe. Shh, don't tell her I said that, but. Yeah, we mapped everything out. We screen played everything, and I mean it played well, right? Like actually now it has the most views of all of our videos, which is kind of crazy. But still, it was like the very first video where we were like, okay, for this 5 seconds is what we're gonna say. For this 10 seconds is what we're gonna say. For this 30 second, and it just, I mean, everything flowed perfect. But man, we had to record every single one of those clips like 10 times a piece. I'm not joking. Because it was like, said this word wrong, said that one wrong, said this sentence wrong, and then it was like, okay, we got to re-record. By the time it was done, we spent more time on re-recordings than we did just making a video like naturally, like we normally do. So I don't know what's good. I don't know which is best. I see Coach pulling backwards. I'm gonna try to do a stupid thing here and go across the sidewalk. Yeah.
What's happening?
You looking pretty?
Every day.
Yeah, you better be
Every
looking
day.
pretty. We're on camera. We are here in Henrietta, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
We are excited to be able to get to meet some other fellow YouTubers. and I'm super excited because this is actually a legend to me. I've been watching, helped me get into, he's laughing behind the camera right now, helped me get into drone footage on YouTube videos. So
he does an amazing job.
Yeah, I'm super stoked to be able to introduce you to, check it out.
What's up, people?
Yeah, so what happens when hogs meet hogs?
Hogs
there
and
we
the hogs.
go.
Mild hogs and
Yes,
southern
and the
hogs.
southern hogs.
Hogs out in the wild.
There you go, loving it. We also got,
How you doing, Bishop?
yeah,
First Mississippi. How y'all doing?
yeah, excited to have them coming through Oklahoma. This has been awesome. They got the bikes. What kind of bikes you guys riding? Yeah, we'll go check it out. What we got?
2019 Road Glide.
Check it out. Look at that. Yeah, that's awesome. With
With a
yes,
brand new stator.
you want to talk? You want to talk to us a little bit about that?
We had a situation that happened before we started our trip. I ended up had to go stop at the Harley Davidson to get a brand new stator put in. Got in, got out. It is one of them situations that wasn't, couldn't control. So
Yeah, pretty cool. What Harley dealership was it?
it got toad suck.
Toad Suck?
Yeah.
Heck
Toad suck.
yeah, Toad Suck. Harley Davidson, thank you very much for helping a friend out, getting them back on the road. And then what you got? Randy over here?
Got a 2014 Ultra Limited.
Yeah. Go over here on this side.
As you guys see, this is the first time I've done this. My blue painter's tape.
Oh,
I picked
yeah,
that-
that's a good
I picked
idea.
that up from some of those guys that were running the
Yeah.
Oka hay. That
Yeah,
would put those bags on.
that's a great idea. So that way you don't mess up the
That's the
paint.
first time I've done that.
Yeah,
That's kind of a new thing right there.
that is awesome. And you also had some work done to your bike?
Yeah, a while back. I
Yeah,
had
a little bit.
Had stage 2 done.
Yeah.
With
How's that running for
cam
you?
split plate, running great.
Yeah, that's
The
awesome.
gas mileage is like 40 more miles a tank.
That's
So,
awesome, man.
Great.
Sick. That is awesome.
the old dyno team did it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's running good.
Well, where are you guys heading, man? Where are you guys going?
Headed up to Colorado.
Yeah.
Staying in Amarillo tonight.
Okay.
And be heading to Manitou Springs for a couple of days. We'll try to see Pikes Peak. A couple other attractions around there. And then we're shooting over the $1 Million Highway and
Yeah.
everything we can see in between.
Oh yeah, absolutely. They're super excited to take one journey on the Skyline Drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to talk me into it. I'm gonna have to make Bishop rewatch the video.
Yeah.
The first time I saw it, I was like, I don't know. But we'll see about that one.
Yeah.
It definitely looks like something we might want to hit.
Yeah. Especially got the 360 camera.
Yeah.
Got to make that happen. It'll be awesome. But
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Oh, and this is the first time in my life I've ever been to Oklahoma.
Are you serious?
Serious. And
I
the
did not know that.
First time I've ever seen a caution
Okay.
sign for bears on the interstate. We're going, we're riding by. Look at the sign.
Sign of a bear coming
Yeah,
across the
bear.
interstate. That's hilarious. But we also got our Mild Hogz stickers for Southern Hogs here, so I'm going to hand those over to him.
Thank you.
He's also the first to get the official coach sticker, as we just
right.
made those. So yes, got
All
coach
right.
stickers going on in there too as well. So we're super excited to be able to hand that over. I do have one more thing for him, and Randy has no idea about this one. So give us just a second, we'll come right back. All right, everybody, they're getting ready to take off, but we also have something else that's special for Southern Hogs here. My brother, I always call him Brother Hogs because, you know, we both have the same last name.
Hogs.
So there you go. There you go. Well, he's also now
All right.
got a Mild Hogz hat that he can wear. I know that white's probably going to get a little dirty, you know, sometimes when you wear it, but hey, you get to wear it, you know, with the Mild Hogz. So,
I'll have it on in the next video.
there you go. I love it, bro. I love it.
Yes, sir. Man, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
the stickers
Yeah.
I have. Appreciate y'all coming
Yeah.
out today.
Yeah.
Coach Cummins.
Yeah.
And been great, man.
Man, you've been
Appreciate
awesome.
y'all.
Thank you again, seriously, for being a mentor of mine. Whether you know it or not, you have been. Even when we went to Florida, I was like, I got to find a way to get the Southern Hogs into blood, and we just missed you. But I'm glad I didn't miss you this time. So
Yeah.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
if you can get it, there we go.
Yeah.
We appreciate you, Southern Hogs. You be safe traveling, and we'll see y'all on the other side.
See y'all.
See ya.
Well, you want to go right then right, or you want to go left then right? You want to do
Left and then right. Wouldn't it just be a right?
that'll be left and then back right. You want to go this way or that way?
No, you're freaking hilarious. I'm like, how is that a left turn? Like what left-handed
Yeah.
kind of craziness you got going on?
Yeah, left turn going out.
I know, left turn. Would you like to do a left turn, or about a left, right?